Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing D'Arbonne Lake Motel. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. D'Arbonne Lake Motel. D'Arbonne Lake Motel is located in Farmerville, 24 miles from Joe Aillet Stadium and 24 miles from Thomas Assembly Center. The property provides a 24-hour front desk and free Wi-Fi is available. Complete with a private bathroom, guest rooms at the hotel are equipped with air conditioning, and selected rooms come with a balcony. At D'Arbonne Lake Motel, each room has a desk and a flat-screen TV. Ike Hamilton Expo Center is 27 miles from the accommodation. The nearest airport is Monroe Regional Airport, 37 miles from D'Arbonne Lake Motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.